Hey guys, just coming to you from my front porch here on day number 4, I guess it is, of quarantine. So I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are enjoying this little bit of time at home. Obviously, we know that there's a purpose in all this, and um, although you guys aren't face to face and at school with each other, I know that we are still connected, and everybody is going to do what they need to keep working and keep making the best of this situation. And just hope you guys are doing well as we get into this new phase of online teaching and learning. There's going to be some obviously up and downs, some learning curves that go into this, and you guys are probably going to see me quite often from a screen rather than standing in front of you. So just going to try to make the best of it. Love you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. We will get some more videos onto YouTube and into Canvas on what you guys are going to be doing as we go through this process. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are healthy. Families are doing well. And I'll be talking to you soon. Love you.